Parent Learning Group was formed in 2014 with just 3 learners at Cathays High School. We originally formed the group just to support reading, but it expanded over time to support the families to get learning and then get back into work.
These ladies, they never spoke English at all. Even they found hard to write their names. Now, when you see them, they can make sentences. They say in paragraphs. That's a big impact I have seen.
We also deliver well-being courses, food safety courses, and these sessions makes it more of a holistic approach based on skills through which they can make a career.
When I first came here, I was a housewife. Sometimes I cried because no friends, I can't share anything. Then I came here. Now I'm working in school, midday supervisor.
I was in darkness before coming to this group. This group gave me some confidence and self-esteem in myself so that I can do my job in a much better way.
To be recognized as a community champion is a great feeling. It does make me feel proud of my work, that I'm definitely doing something to make people's life change for better.